Hey guys, so today I have my Sephora play for the month of February, so let's get into it and see what's in here. Okay, so here is the bag for this month. Again, it's just like the general plastic bag that you can recycle. I really like these ones. And the first product in here looks like it's from Kat Von D, and this is the Saint and Sinner perfumes. I've gotten this at least 3 times, I feel like, in my Sephora play boxes. They really push this perfume a lot. I do remember liking the Sinner one a little bit more than the Saint. So I'm gonna go ahead and spritz that on real quick. So it's like a spicy, like cinnamony scent with some sweetness in there and some florals as well. These aren't my favorite perfumes, but I mean, they're okay. Let me read off the notes. Okay, so the Saint is in the floral fragrance family. The top notes are mandarin, middle notes are jasmine and vanilla, and the base notes are creamy musk. And then the Sinner one, the fragrance family is warm and spicy, top notes of orange blossom, middle notes of cinnamon and white floral, and base notes of plum. So definitely smell like that floral orange blossom and then the cinnamon really well. Florals just aren't my favorite in any capacity. I like more fruity or spicy, whatever scents above florals, so not my favorite, but they're not bad. Okay, next thing in here is from Wander Beauty, and this is their Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. So I have tried these before. It's basically like a sheet mask for your under eye. They're like little gold masks. They are very nice and refreshing on the under eyes. I don't feel like they make a drastic difference before applying makeup or anything, but they do feel nice, so meh, they're okay. Next thing in here is from Caudalie, and this is the Vinoperfect Radiance Serum. I have tried the Caudalie Vinoperfect Essence, and I really like that, so I will definitely try this out and see how that works as well. It does look very, very empty. It's only filled to like right there on the bottle, and then the lid starts right here, so very small amount of product, mostly air. So next product in here is from Clinique, and this is the Quickliner for Eyes Intense in the shade Intense Ebony, so black obviously. Here it is, just a nice twist up liner, looks like. Let's see how this works. It's nice and creamy, very black, and it looks like it's matte too, so definitely have to try that out, but I mean, it's just a black liner. It's not very exciting. And next in here is also from Clinique, and this is the Clinique Moisture Surge. I have like a love-hate relationship with this. I love how it feels on the skin. It's just like very lightweight and gel moisturizer, but it does have dimethicone in it, which is not good for your skin, especially in a skincare product. So I wish it didn't have that, but it does, so don't really use it anymore. And the last thing in here is from Bite Beauty, and this is the Amuse Bouche lipstick in Sake. So here it is. It's like a nice mauve-y shade. Nice creamy mauve. So I will go ahead and try this on. Okay, so here it is on the lips. It's definitely more of like a cool toned mauve shade. And I do really love these lipsticks. The Amuse Bouche lipsticks from Bite Beauty smell just like pink lemonade, which is my favorite thing ever. And they're very creamy and they last a pretty good amount of time. They're not drying at all, so I do really like these. We did just get a lipstick last month from Bite, which was a mauve shade as well, but I guess that was a different formula, so I don't know. Okay, so going back through all of the products, we have the perfumes, which is a I have like at least 3 samples of this already, so that's a meh. The Wander Beauty eye masks, they're okay, they're not great, so meh. The Clinique Moisture Surge I don't really use anymore just because of the dimethicone in there, so meh. The eyeliner, it's just a black eyeliner, but I mean it looks really nice. It dried down pretty matte. Let's see if it smudges. No. So it does look like it has pretty good staying power, so that's nice. But I mean, it's just a black eyeliner, not very exciting. The Caudalie Vinoperfect Radiance Serum, I do like the Vinoperfect essence that I tried, so I'll definitely try this out and see how I like it. I'm excited to try it, I guess. And the Bite Beauty lipstick, I love these lipsticks. I'm forever happy getting another one, so that's great. Overall, this bag's kind of meh, not very exciting, but it's okay. I didn't really hate anything that I got, so let me know what you got in your Sephora play this month, if you liked everything you got or if it's just kind of meh to you as well, and I will see you in my next video.